Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome to Healthism. Every illness, pain, and symptom involves inflammation. Today, I'll tell you about some great teas that can help your body heal by reducing inflammation. You might already have many of these in your kitchen. These teas have strong antioxidants that fight free radicals and protect against heart disease, diabetes, autoimmune issues, and even cancer. Most people have black tea at home. It contains theaflavins, which are polyphenol that lower inflammation and boost overall health. Black tea's powerful antioxidants can reduce both short-term and long-term inflammation. Studies show it can also improve how your body processes glucose and uses insulin. Green tea is one of my top picks. It's packed with antioxidants called catechins, epigallocatechin gallate, the strongest type. Green tea protects your heart and keeps your arteries clean. Peppermint tea has proven compounds that fight bacteria, viruses, and inflammation. It helps your body deal with stress, eases allergy-related congestion or irritation, and strengthens your immune system to fight colds and flu. Ginger tea has potent antioxidants that guard against inflammatory conditions. It helps your digestive system and tackles many stomach problems. Ginger also lowers oxidative stress to combat free radicals in your body. It blocks the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines that cause inflammation to happen more often. When it comes to inflammation and pain, turmeric stands out. Its main component, curcumin, gives the spice its bright golden color. Many studies have shown that curcumin blocks inflammation as well as some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without major side effects. Chamomile tea is a great natural anti-inflammatory without caffeine. It works like a COX-2 inhibitor, a type of anti-inflammatory drug doctors prescribe for pain. Chamomile tea relaxes your mind and body. It's perfect to drink before bed. It reduces stress and helps you fall asleep. Remember, these teas have powerful antioxidants. They not ease inflammation, but also help all your body systems, your heart, lungs, brain, kidneys, and intestines. It's a win-win situation. I hope this video helps you. Please share it with your loved ones. Leave your thoughts in the comments. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming health videos. Before you go, check out the other helpful videos popping up on your screen. Feel free to watch one or both to keep learning with us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay healthy.